The Pentagon has launched a $1 billion initiative to rapidly deploy over 300,000 small drones, emphasizing quick deployment and urban strike capabilities. This program aims to bolster the U.S. military's operational readiness by integrating these drones into various combat scenarios, highlighting the growing importance of unmanned systems in modern warfare. In the Middle East, the U.S. has launched its first one-way attack drone squadron under Task Force Scorpion Strike. This move accelerates the deployment of drone technology, showcasing the U.S. military's commitment to enhancing its strategic capabilities in the region. Northrop Grumman has unveiled a new loyal wingman drone design under Project Talon, which is set to enhance the Air Force's Collaborative Combat Aircraft (CCA) program. This development underscores Northrop Grumman's role in advancing drone technology and supporting the U.S. military's future combat strategies. NATO foreign ministers have reaffirmed their commitment to defense investment and support for Ukraine, which could lead to increased defense spending and contracts. This commitment highlights NATO's strategic priorities and its focus on bolstering defense capabilities across member nations. Turning to the markets, Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, saw its shares rise by 3.16% to $176.08, driven by increased demand for drone technology. The company's involvement in data analytics and AI positions it well to capitalize on the Pentagon's $1 billion drone program. AeroVironment, ticker symbol AVAV, experienced a 2.58% increase to $271.78 following the integration of Hoverfly systems into its command and control software. This integration enhances AeroVironment's capabilities in unmanned aerial systems, aligning with the growing demand for advanced drone technologies. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, ticker symbol KTOS, rose by 2.56% to $72.78, benefiting from the expansion of the drone program. The company's focus on unmanned systems and defense technology makes it a key player in the current defense landscape. General Dynamics, ticker symbol GD, increased by 0.68% to $338.08 after signing a memorandum of agreement with South Korean shipbuilders. This partnership aims to enhance shipbuilding capabilities, reflecting General Dynamics' strategic expansion in the defense sector. For investors, today's actionable takeaways: 1. Drone demand boosts Palantir and Kratos shares. 2. AeroVironment's software integration enhances unmanned capabilities. 3. Monitor NATO's defense commitments for future contract opportunities.